Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today is a first for me. I have tried Yoga Club. I've watched many unboxings of it. I'm in the market for some new workout clothes. I used another YouTuber's referral link, and once I ordered this, I had regrets. I don't even remember exactly what the box costs. Once I do the try on, I'll give you all those details. I will most likely cancel the subscription. I haven't even opened the box yet, right? I'm already saying I'm most likely gonna cancel the subscription. You're gonna be like, why did you do it, Carolyn? I was like, well, I am in the market for new workout clothes, but I am super, super picky. So I'm thinking I'm not gonna like anything in this box because I'm just so picky. I probably should have never ordered it to begin with, but I like some of the things the other YouTubers are getting, so I said, all right, give it a shot. The price I do remember was reasonable. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was definitely a lot cheaper than if I went and bought my own outfits. All right, so I'm gonna open it with you guys so you can see my first reaction and whether I like it or hate it. I'm not big into a lot of big, bold patterns or colors. I like some pattern and color, but like neutral ones. And I like tees and tanks that are more form-fitting, and I prefer capri leggings because I'm short and I don't like them to bunch up on my knees when they're full length. All right, so I just pop it open. And another thing too, I'm kind of picky about what I get. I need my sports bras. I can't use like a regular pullover bra. I need like a really heavy duty sports bra. So I was just looking for top and bottoms. And I ordered this way back in May, and I'm just getting it now, and it's June, 14th? So it took a long time to get, and I actually had to follow up. Okay. Oh, all right. Already I kind of like it, believe it or not. So the first thing I seem to have gotten is a tank, and it's by the name brand Viactive. And there was another thing too, I wasn't quite sure what size I should get, it small or extra small, so I ended up going with the small. Okay, this is nice. This tank is modal in spandex, 90%. Now this is interesting. It says specifically, and I'm not seeing things, 90%, oh yes, 90% modal, 10% spandex, hand wash in cool water. That is not gonna happen. Lay flat to dry. It will be hung to dry. Go to the machine. I sweat up a storm when I go to the gym. Okay, one thing I'm not gonna like about this is the sleeves. I'll have to try it on, but it looks like it would show my bra. So I'm not gonna like that if it does that, but I'll give it a shot. And then the next thing that I got was a pair of compression leggings. Oh, she got to me in an extra small. Ooh, if anything I needed a small, but she gave me an extra small. And they're supposedly in the print camo, but they really don't look too camo. They're almost like a stripe, and yes, there's like a camo and a black on black. And these are also by Viactive. All right, so I'll give them a shot and see how they are. There are no real returns, just exchanges, I think, for sizes. And I guess the directions are in the box. Step 1, inhale, love, exhale, gratitude. Why? Because taking a minute to stop, reflect, and appreciate the journey is what's life about. Unwrap the outfit. Go ahead, hand your curated outfit a waist. Your hand-curated outfit a waist. Try everything on and get excited to work out. Love guaranteed. Snap, share, and win. Post a selfie of your cute new outfit on Instagram or Facebook with Pound Yoga Club to enter with a free 12-month subscription. Oh, that might be interesting. So, yeah, it's actually a pretty decent outfit for me because, like I said, I prefer neutrals and tees or tanks. I'll just have to see and how this fits. Okay, I'll probably do the try-on tomorrow after my class. Take care until then. Okay, so it is several days later, and I finally got around to trying this on. So I do like the tank, all right? And I looked online. This name brand goes for around $80 for a pair of leggings, even $92 for some leggings. I didn't look at what prices are at the top. So it is a pricier name brand for retail price. The top is really nice. It's a really soft, stretchy material. It does come down a little bit low, but nothing like where my skin is exposed. So I'm okay with it. It's not my favorite, but it's okay with how much my bra it exposes. It's a sports bra. It's a gym. I work out. It's quite all right. So I do like the top, and it's also a color I don't have, so I'm very happy to got the top. The leggings I do not like. The leggings They're an extra small, and I'm pretty sure I requested a small. I'm gonna have to go back online and look. And it was, I think, $54.95 for my package. And again, I'm wearing the She-Fit bra underneath because those are the bras that I prefer. For me, they're a lot more support than pretty much any pullover bra can give you. These are capri length. They're tight around my ankles, right? And so it was very hard to get them up over my calves. And a little tight in the thighs, nothing horrendous, but very tight in the calves. And then it's actually quite loose in the waist. There's like no compression here in the waist whatsoever. And it comes mid-rise, not high-rise on me. So I know I don't like high-rise in jeans, but in leggings when I'm working out at the gym, I want high-rise, so I don't have to worry if I'm bending over any. You know, I want them high and hiked up. So I'm not happy with the leggings. I'm gonna go back online and change the size. I will probably wear these leggings, but I'll probably wear them in a less intensive class. Like we have some what we call lift 45s at my gym where we're just doing lifting. So I might wear them for that. I probably won't wear them for like a running class or I'm doing burpees or something like that on the floor because it's gonna fall down on me. I'm gonna feel like I'm constantly hiking them up. So I'll show you the back of them, all right? This is the back how the leggings look. They're plain, no seams. And like this is the waistband, and the waistband is coming at the top of my butt crack right here, all right? And this is right here hitting me exactly at like my natural waist, like mid-rise for me. So yeah, I don't really care for the leggings and how they fit, but I do like this top. We'll see. I'm gonna give Yoga Club one more try. We'll see how it goes. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Newbies, welcome. This is my first yoga box. I do Nordstrom, Trunk Club, shopping hauls, occasionally Trendsend, and Stitch Fix every month. So until next time, take care.